Hi friends, welcome back to the Learning Tree. We are here on our final adventure for the month of May for exploring our community, and it's one that we're really excited about. Ivy, do you want to tell everybody where we are today?
Yes.
Let's turn.
But before I do that, you remember last week whenever I said our hints were it's a place that's only open in the summer and it's a place with water? Well, we are at the Splash Park.
At the Splash Park. There it is in the background. So we are going to show you guys all around the Splash Park. It opens this weekend on Saturday, May 29th, and we are super excited. After having to be closed last year because of COVID, we are reopening on May 29th. So we are really excited to show you around the Splash Park. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's go. Okay, here we are. So you will need to wear your mask to walk through and check in. Ivy's got her mask on. And let's head into the Splash Park and see what's going on. All right, here we are at the splash pad. So this area of the splash park is a little more shallow and fun for younger kids. I think it's 3 feet at its deepest point. And they've got this really cool bucket that fills up with water and dumps. And everybody beneath it gets a shower, right, Ivy?
Yep. And there's also some of those like things on the other side which like actually gives you a shower.
All right, let's go look at those. So here's the splash pad area. It's 3 feet deep with a fun little play area for little kids. Over on this side is the lazy river. Here are the tubes for the lazy river, so you can grab a double tube or a single tube and float along and relax in the lazy river.
Yeah. And now we can go show you the lazy river.
Okay, let's go.
So this is the lazy river. And you don't have to like kick your feet or anything. It just like the water moves and it just takes you along with it. And it's really cool because it goes like all the way back there.
Yeah, and it's got, remember that button that you can push that makes the bubbles go up?
Yeah.
Do you want to go see if that's working?
Sure.
Okay, so you can push this button when people are floating by on their tubes and it makes bubbles. Let's see if it's on. Push it and see. No, it's probably not on yet. That's okay. When the splash park opens, it'll be on. Okay, so on this side over here of the lazy river is the competition pool. So we've got this diving board. You do have to pass a swim test to be able to jump off the diving board because this water is pretty deep. This is 12 feet deep. We've got our big pool where we have swim lessons.
And that's bigger than my mom. Really big.
What, the pool?
Yeah. I meant deep.
Oh, taller. Yeah, I'm definitely not 12 feet tall.
Definitely not. It's that big. Well, now let's go show that big slide.
Yeah, the last thing we're going to show is the thing that I think Ivy's the most excited about this year. What is it, Ivy?
The big slide.
The big slide. Let's go check it out. So here it is, the giant water slide. It does not end in a pool, so you don't have to worry about landing in a pool.
That's not that deep. And come here, let me show you what it is. It just ends in this way.
Yep, there's no water in it right now, but normally it'll be filled up with water. Okay, so you do have to be 48 inches tall to ride the water slide. What do you think, Ivy? Do you make the cut? Stand there. No tiptoes, no cheating. Oh yeah, you definitely got it. So the last year that the splash park opened, Ivy was not tall enough. She was gonna be tall enough last year, but we were closed because of COVID. So this is gonna be the first year you can ride the slide. Are you excited? We are definitely gonna come out on Saturday and check that out, aren't we?
Yes.
Okay, now we're gonna show you the concession area. So this year, because of COVID restrictions, you will have to wear a mask if you're walking to and from the concession area. But once you're seated, you can take off your mask, or if you're walking to the pool, you don't have to wear a mask, just when you're up, going to the locker room, or getting a snack. So this is the concession area. Obviously it's closed right now, but we'll have lots of fun snacks for everybody. And then the picnic table is set up here where you can enjoy your food. You ready to have some, what was your favorite snack at the Splash Park?
The nachos.
Nachos?
Yeah.
I thought for sure it'd be Dippin' Dots.
Oh yeah, the different dots.
Oh yeah, we're ready to come and have some snacks over here. And then we've got the relaxing area set up over here. Big umbrellas and chairs where you can relax with your family. Yeah. Here's a better view of the bucket and the slides for little ones. Okay, we hope that you enjoyed our tour of the Super Splash Park opening May 29th. We are super excited. We're gonna be here this weekend, ready to splash, right?
Yes. And I hope you guys will come check it out this summer.
All right, thank you for joining us for Adventure Month, and we will see you again next week.